we have to add these two sections. So first we're gonna make the last one, then we can make the first one. Okay, let's add this. Let's wait for it to load, and we're gonna build that. Let's me remove all of this. Okay, now let's add a container. Okay, like this. Here we can use this same color. So for this I'm gonna use a color picker tool. I'm gonna pick this color. Okay, this is the color. Now we can go here. Here we can make it the full width. Okay, and here we can just make it. Think this color is looking good. Now you can see we can just add some padding, 40 to the top, 40 to the bottom. Yeah, let's add some images. Okay, so this is the image we're gonna use. So let's search for that image. I think we don't have that image. This is the image. Okay, so we don't have this image also. Okay, so this is not also. So I will give you all of these images in the, let me copy this, save this. Now you can just go here and upload. Okay, like this. Select. Now we can place this in the start. Okay, let's go here. Here you can see. Now we can make this like this. Okay, and here we can make this at the start. Okay, so you can just, I will show you how to fix this. You can see here we have this copyright also. So let's add the copyright first. Okay, here like this. So we can just go here. Here we can make everything in the like this. Okay, so we have to use the space between. Here we can just use this. Then here we can just add the copyright. Here we can write copyright 2025 flavor lock. All right is up. We can use the icon. We can make this white. And then we can increase the size of this. Okay, let's try to publish this. Okay, I think we have some issues here. Okay, let's see close. I will show you how to fix that. This is some Elementor version issue, I think. So for that, let's make this first. Okay, so let's make this first. So now we have to add this at the top. So we can just go here, and this is the footer. Below we can name this. Okay, now we can just add a new container. Just add a new container. Here this is the main container. We can make this above, and here we can name this footer top, like this. Now this here you can see we can make this 1400 like this. Remove all of these paddings. Here we gonna add inside one more container. Okay, and this is the main, and here we can just make this everything remove this black. You can make this black also. If you see gonna see here, now you can see we have to make this 4. For making this 4, we can just add the containers here. So this is the one. Remove all of this padding. This 2, here 3, and this is the 4. This is the 2, this is 3, and this is the 4. Here this main. Okay, like this. Now we can put some padding here like this. So you can see here we have the height option. So let's put the height of 300. Now let me show you. This is, you can see the layout is little bit similar. Okay, I think. And you can see for the footer top we can use the 1300 value also. If you want, you can just increase and decrease the size here. Okay, now you can see we have this first grid. Then go to this, and here let's add the heading. Let's add the heading. Okay, here we're gonna write about us. Okay, and we can make this in the center. Okay, and here also we can add from the left side 60, and then from the right side don't need it because we're gonna use the flex for that. Okay, so here you can see, let's make this, and here what we can do, we can just make this here we can just make this like this. Okay, now we can just add here text here. Okay, you can see we can, okay, this is messed up. Now let's remove this. Here we can just okay, I think this is not going inside this. We just place it. So this is the use. This is why we have to use the structure. So you can see structure. That's why we use that. Here we can make this white. Now we have to put this social icon. So let's save this also. So we can use this social icon. Okay, you can see we have this type of social icon. Then you can also edit like this. You can just add it here like Instagram. Okay, like this. Here also we can just go here choose the custom. Here we can make this like here we can make this white, and this we're gonna make this like this, little bit darker. Okay, and here we can just go here we can make this square. Here we can make this 10. Okay, now we can just increase and decrease the size of this. Okay, and here we can just increase and decrease the size. Here we can just go to here we can make this theme red and this white icon. However, we can add this grow. Okay, and here we can just go here, put this 40. Okay, so let's save this. Okay, this is not showing that thing. I think there is some Elementor version issue. So now you can see we have this main, right? And what we can do, we can just add the main some like height. We can give this some height like 450. Okay, now you can see if I go to the style, here we can see we have the shape divider. At the top we can use this like we are using what we are using this page. So let me, okay, so this is, you can see this is looking good. I think we can decrease the height of this. We can just play it here. Okay, we have to add this little bit less like this. Okay, this is good. Now you can see we have this main. This is this. Now for this we can make this in the center like this. You can see. So this we have here, we have to just put the 30, and this is 30 also, or we can put this 40. In the bottom also we can put the 40. Now we have to add this line. So for adding the line, what we can do, we can just choose the divider solid, and in the right side we can add this one and just make this little bit like this, so it will be visible. Now you can see this is visible now. So this is done. Now let's add this explore. Okay, now we're gonna copy this. We can put it here, and the name of this is explore. Okay, let's do one thing. We can make everything in the start. Okay, not make everything in the center. Now you can see in this is that you can see we can make everything in the start. Okay, similarly we can go to the second one. So let's put some height to all these boxes. So in the one we can put 300. Okay, for the second one also let's try to put 300. This is good. Now for the third one also we can put the 300. So you can see, give the height to these boxes 300. Okay, now you can see we have this 40 bottom. So we can go here and we can do the same, 40 to the top, 40 to the bottom. So it will be in the same height. Then here also 40 to the top, 40 to the bottom. Here also we're gonna go this, here at the top, 40 to the top, 40 to the bottom, like this. You can see. Now we have to add this now we can search for the list here. Now let's search for the list here. Here we're gonna decrease, means remove. Here also now we can write it here home. Okay, now we can add some menus, like here we can add the about. Okay, here also we can put this services. Okay, in this way you can just name it here. Okay, all these things. Now we can make this text, and we can make this white. Okay, and on the hover we can make this red. So when you hover you can have this color. Also you can just put the spacing between this like this. Okay, like this everything is looking good. Here we can put some gaps to this 40. Okay, here also we can give some gaps, like okay, here also we can just go here, put the gap of 40. So you can see this is little bit aligned equally. You can also align this. Okay, this is looking good. Now you can see we have this contact info, so we can just copy this again and put it here, and this will say contact info. For this we're gonna use the icon box. Let's try to use the icon box here. Okay, and here we can use the frame. This would be square, stacked. Okay, square. Okay, we can use the rounded also. Okay, now we can just go here. You can use whatever icon you want. Suppose you can see we have the map icon, so we can search for the map here. You can use so many map icons here. So let's me design this, like here we can make this red, here we can make this white, and we can make this like this. Okay, here also we can just remove this. Now we can just edit here, and we can just paste this like this. Here also we can make this in the center, and for the content we can make everything in the white. Okay, so this is the text content, make this white. Okay, and here also we can increase and decrease the size of this. Okay, here we can have the icon, and here we can just increase the size. Okay, now you can see this is done. Now we have to just duplicate this. Okay, and here also we can make this after the 30. Okay, I think this is looking good. Or we can just okay, so we can just put some gap below like this. Okay, so this is done. Now let's publish this. Okay, so we are not getting that settings to choose where to display. Okay, so it is the bug from Elementor. Okay, then here we can have this newsletter. Then we can see we have this join now. So for that text we need this. We can go here. Okay, and here we can just write this join our newsletter. Okay, here we can just go to the case and write this. Now we can use the form here. Then add the form. Here we can only use the email. Okay, we can make this medium. Buttons also we can use the medium. Here the button will say subscribe. Okay, we don't want to show the labels, and also we don't want to show this field color, so I think we can make this white. Okay, the white is looking good. We can make this, and for the button color we can use the red here. Okay, for the field we can make this smaller, and for the button also we can make this smaller. Okay, this is looking good. Now we have to put the gaps between this. You can see we have this main container here. Now here we can put a gap, like we can put the gap of 60. Okay, we can reduce the gap like 40 or 30. Now you can see we have this one. So let's give this like here you can see we have 1 2 3 4. So let's give this 40, then rest 20 20 20. Okay, so let's give this 40, and for this we're gonna give the 20. For this also we're gonna give the 20, and for the last one also we're gonna give the max width. You can see this is looking good. I think we can give this to 30 only, and the last one 10 can give this to. Okay, give this 30. So I think this is 30, and this is also 30 60 70 80 90 100. This is not looking good. 20 is good. Let's give this to this only 40. Only we have to go here and here, and here we can just make this custom value like this. Okay, so this is looking good. Save and close. Let me show you how to make this visible. Let's go to the template again from here, and from here you will see here we have this. Open this. Here we can see, we have this option edit conditions. Here you can see entire site, then save and close. Now we can just go here and just if I go below, you can see we have the footer fully working here. Okay, this is looking good. And now we can just go to the fourth part, and here we can just add the padding in the right, like you can add 40. Okay, you can see here we can also make this little bit bigger if you want. We can increase the size of this to 1400. Okay, so you can adjust according to you. Okay, this is looking good. Here if you want we can make this 35. Yeah, let's make this 30. Let's make this also 30. Now if I see, you can see this is looking good, I think. Okay, so you can just play according to you. Okay, so you can just feel free to play. Here you can see in the left side also we can put 30. So like this, save and close. I think we have this now. To go below, you can see. So this is not here. Entire site, save and close. Okay, now let's refresh. If I go below, you can see we have this. Only we have to put this below. For that we can just go to the footer top here, choose the EM value, and here we can make this to below. Okay, here for the Z index we can give this 10. Okay, we are on the top of this, then we can just make it below. Okay, we can make this below. Here also for the footer below, you can see for the footer below we can have this height very less, so we can make this less. Also we can go here, and here we can change the custom value. Okay, and this also we can make this below, like at the end, so like this. So I hope you understand how to make this type of things. So again we have to go here. So this is some fucking problem with Elementor. I think we have to figure out this after that. So you can just go here and see, you can see this is footer is also looking at